Hi everyone, this is Starry. In this class, we will see seventh problem from exercise 2.6, chapter numbers and sequence. So let's go into the video. Here in seventh problem, find the sum of all natural number between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4. We have to find the sum of all natural number from this value, between this value and this value, which is not divisible by 4. So that we will find sum of all values minus we will do sum of values all number which is divisible by 4, divisible by 4, so that we can find which is not divisible by 4. We can find by using this. Okay, first we will find sum of all natural numbers between this. What we have, 603. Between this means we have to remove this. Okay, we have to leave this. After that we have 604, 603, 604, like that it goes, and at last it is 901. The value between this we have these numbers. From this we will find the A value is 603 is the first value, and last value is given 901, and from this we will find D value. D value is, we will take T1, T2, this value minus this value is D value. So 604 minus 603 equal to 1. 1 D value is 1. By using this we will find N. N equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So L minus A we have 901 minus 603 divided by 1 plus 1. So 901 minus 603 is 298. Okay, 298. This one leave it. So we have plus 1, 299. N value is 299. With the help of this we will find Sn equal to n by 2. By using this formula we will find A plus L. So n value we have S, we have 299. 299 equal to 299 by 2 into the A value we have 603 plus L value, what we have, L value 901. 901. Okay, 299 by 2 into 603 plus 901 is 1504. Okay, and if we divide this we will get 715 and here 2. Okay, 752 into, okay, then you will have 299 into 752. Okay, we will get 224,848, which is multiplication of this number, which is sum of all numbers, which is sum of all 299 numbers, sum of all natural number. Okay, and we need to find sum of all number which is divisible by 4. Okay, we have number here between numbers is 603 comma 604 goes until 01. The first number which is divisible by 4 is 604. 604 is divisible, but 603 is not divisible, so we will leave this. 604 is divisible. Second number which is divisible is 208. 608, sorry, 608 is divisible. Like that, the last number between this is divisible is 900 is divisible by 4. 901 is not divisible by 4. So we will take only divisible by 4. We have this number. By using this, we will find A value we have 604 and D value equal to 608 minus second value minus first value 604 equal to we have 4. Then n value we have to find, last value given 900. So n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. We know that. Okay, it is formula. So L value is 900 minus A value is 604 by D value is 4 plus 1. So 900 minus 604 is 296 by 4 plus 1. 4 ones are 474 equal to 74 plus 1 75. N equal to 75. Okay, by using that you will find S75 by using this formula. S75 is equal to 75 by 2. Value of A here we have 604 plus the value of L we have 900. The value of L is 900, which is last value 900. Okay, 75 by 2. If we add this, we will get 1504. Okay, then if we divide this, we will get 7, 14, remaining 1 of 10 means 5, then 4 we have 2. Okay, 75 into 752, we will get 56400. Okay, which is sum of all number divisible by 4 which have. So we need to subtract this value to this value for finding answer. So we need sum of all natural number between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4 equal to, we have 224,848 minus this number 56400. We will get 168484. 168484. That's it. If you like this video, give it a like, share to your friends and leave a comment. I will post my videos often, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to get all our latest updates and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.